Hello everyone, I'm Ratrika Bhaumek and I welcome you all to another episode of Courts Today on LiveLaw, where we update you about all the important legal developments that took place across the country today. We will begin with developments from the Supreme Court of India and then move on to High Courts and other subordinate courts. If you like our content, then it would mean a lot to us if you could please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's begin. The Supreme Court of India will host the 18th meeting of the Chief Justices of the Member States of Shanghai Corporation Organization, that is the SCO, from March 10th to March 12th, with a view to develop judicial cooperation among member states. Chief Justices and Chairpersons of the Supreme Courts of SCO member states have been invited to attend the meeting. The Indian participation in the meeting will include Chief Justice of India, Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, and Supreme Court judges, Justices Sanjay Kishan Kaul, Justice K.M. Joseph, among others. A Delhi court today remanded Aam Aadmi Party leader and former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, to Enforcement Directorate custody till March 17th in a money laundering case registered in connection with the excise policy for the year 2021 to 2022. Sisodia was sent to judicial custody in the CBI case earlier this week. The Delhi High Court today stayed till July 26th the proceedings initiated against Chairperson of Delhi Commission for Women, Swati Maliwal, over corruption allegations for allegedly abusing the official position by illegally appointing various acquaintances, including Aam Aadmi Party workers, in the women's rights body. Justice Bhamwani of the High Court asked whether nepotism is an offence under the Prevention of Corruption Act. This was after Maliwal's counsel, Senior Advocate Rebecca Johns, submitted that there is no allegation in the charge sheet that Maliwal received any valuable thing or pecuniary advantage in lieu of appointments under the scanner. Citing technical reasons, the Kerala High Court today quashed the trial court proceedings against Transport Minister of Kerala, Anthony Raju, in connection with the evidence tampering case against the minister pending before the Judicial First Class Magistrate. However, Justice Ziad Rahman clarified that this would not preclude the competent authority or the court concerned from taking up the matter and pursuing the prosecution in compliance with the procedure contemplated under the Code of Criminal Procedure. The Bombay High Court recently held that authorized signatory of a company who signs a check on its behalf is not the drawer of the check, and hence such signatory is not liable to pay interim compensation under Section 143A of the Negotiable Instruments Act in a case for dishonor of check. While framing charges under the POCSO Act against a man, despite the victim stating in her statement recorded under Section 164 of the CRPC that she had a consensual relationship with him, the Delhi High Court has observed that its hands are tied till any amendment is carried out in law, though it may be desirable that cases of teenage relationships can be dealt on a different footing. The High Court observed, and I quote here, "Therefore, though it may be desirable that the cases of teenage infatuation and voluntary living with each other, eloping with each other, maintaining relationships such as the present case, are dealt on a different footing, the court's hands are tied as far as framing of charge is concerned, till any amendment is carried out in the wisdom of the Parliament of the country, if deemed appropriate." Pulling up the Equestrian Federation of India over its selection process for the upcoming Asian Games, the Delhi High Court has observed that a national sports federation should prioritize identifying and fostering best talent in the country without being muddled by hyper-technicality and personal vendetta against any candidate. Observing that a sports person belongs to the stadium and not in court's corridors, Justice Gaurang Kant said that no one who aims to bring laurels to their motherland should be subjected to mental agony by the federation and its officials. A lawyer who made scathing remarks against an additional district judge by inter alia, commenting upon her attire and comparing her to mythical demon, was convicted for criminal contempt by the Guwahati High Court yesterday. A division bench passed the order after the lawyer Utpal Goswami pleaded guilty and tendered an apology. Thank you. Keep watching Courts Today on LiveLaw for more such updates.